अगर आपके पास कंटेंट नहीं है यूट्यूब पर अपलोड करने के लिए तो आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि हम क्या वीडियो बनाएं। सो मेरे पास भी कंटेंट नहीं है वीडियो बनाने के लिए, तो मैं एक गेम खेल रहा हूँ और उस गेम का नाम है द वर्ल्ड इजीएस्ट गेम। सो लेट्स डू दिस। सो लेट्स सर्च इन द गूगल द वर्ल्ड easiest game and let's play this game. Okay, quiz game. The impossible quiz. Let's do this. The impossible quiz. Play now. This is the world easiest game. Now I am playing this game, so best score is mine 0. So this is the world easiest game. So let's do this. What is 5 plus 3? 8. Sorry, 8. The correct. How many sides does this cube have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Why? The sound is not working. The word racer is the same forward, backward, and upside down. True, incorrect. Sound करना भी यार. At the same point here, the year was started.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
But that's the incorrect answer. How many months have 31 days? One.
शाबाश बेटा.
Oh. Which color is this? Green. Easy. No bomb. Correct. What's more powerful than God? The devil, evil itself, rich people for having, but it's poor people could describe him. Nothing. Continue. What state is this? I don't know, but तुक्का लगाना पड़ेगा. It's not. Oh, तुक्का कामयाब है. What is bigger? Elephant, cat, dog, mouse. Elephant is bigger than cat, mouse, and dog. You walk into a restaurant. In the room there are 10 people who are 21-year-old, 3 people who are 26-year-old. अरे भाई पढ़ने तो दो. What is your name? Just correct. Order this. Oh. How many months have 28 days? Why? How many days in July? 31. Correct. Grammar, Nazi, which is correct? Do you want to go to the mall with John and me? Do you want? The first one is the correct. How many days in August? In August, 28 days. Oh, 30 days. Sure, yes, I am sure about that. put the ball in the basket and huh? 4-letter words. You can time a guitar, but you cannot.
अल्लाह माफ करे, बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो, रहने दो.
For the man want to marry his widow sister. Can he? I will try again later. This is enough score for me for the first time. Hope you like this video.